Good afternoon. Please welcome back to my channel, dear devotees. Please welcome and watch my video, guys. To this video is to cook some tuna casserole. Ito. Ayan, celery, mushroom, at broccoli. At saka ito, creamy mushroom. Yan, pang sahog ko. Igisa ko yung bawang at sibuyas sa butter. And then, magluluto ako ng mushroom soup. Again, guys, zucchini, kamatis, carrots, beans, patatas, at saka celery with tomato, plantain, and chickpeas with chicken stock or chicken broth. Ayan, guys. Ito ang ating lulutuin na kagawa ng salad ninyo. Please watch my video, guys. Hirap maghiwa, guys. Hirap mag-prepare din. Ang daming chinapchat. Yan, onion yan. Daming onion. Na tayo sa tuna casserole, guys. Yan na. Ayan na ang tuna casserole natin. At naglimisa na rin tayo ng sibuyas para sa mushroom soup natin. Yummy, yummy, guys. Yan. Super yummy. Yummy. Ulaan pa natin, guys. Lapit na, guys. Lapit na. Yummy. Oh yeah. Yan, guys. Yung zucchini na lang nilagay ko. Tapos yung coriander, saka yung dahon ng celery, saka yung thyme. Yun naman na yung tuna casserole ko. Maganda ito sa mga diabetic, guys. Kaya itong pagkain yung pinapaluto na sa akin. Lagay ko na yung walang asin ito, guys. Walang asin. Bawal sa kanya. Pero masarap siya. Kasi yung nagpasarap yung kamatis. Ayan. Mushroom soup. Yeah. Takpan ko pa. Tapos pwede na. Ito na yung salad niya, guys. Celery, preserved beetroot, cucumber, spinach. Ayan, guys. Lagay ko na sa ito na yung tuna casserole. Yan na yung mushroom soup. Ayan. Cooking is done. Ito naman ay minestrone soup, guys. Ayan, nagluto ako ng minestrone soup. Ayan. Ilagay ko sa lunchbox yung dalawa na hindi nagkasya dyan. At ito naman ay ang simpleng noodles. Prinide ko siya ng garlic with onion and butter with cabbage, mushroom, and clam. Yan guys. Ito ang pagkain niya ngayon ni Kati. Yan. Nag-request siya na ganito ang lutuin ko. Kaya ito siya. Ang sarap niya yan guys. Noodles with mushroom, cabbage, and clam. Ginisa ko lang ng bawang, sibuyas, at saka sa butter. Ito naman walang karne guys. Walang karne. Pure siya na vegetables. Yan. Carrots, zucchini, celery, chickpeas, tomato. Maraming kamatis yan guys. Sibuyas, garlic, tsaka ano pa? Beans. Yan. Ito ang minestrone soup ko guys. Yan. Ang sarap niya. Thank you for watching guys. Hindi na ako nag-video nung nagluluto ako kasi pagod na guys. Pagod na. Ang hirap mag-prepare din mag-slice ng mga gulay-gulay. Ito na guys. Thank you for watching. Yummy minestrone soup. Minestrone soup at saka fried noodles. Ayan. Parang hindi pa magandang busis natin. Yan guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan. I was down and out and feeling so low. You took my hand in his mama. I was so strange. You showed me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through, confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends were hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. Don't look at me. Yes, a different me. Back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again. 'Cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again.